Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pamela and my English is not the yellow of the egg of me. I don't know. I tried this the first and I hope you understand me. I'm from Austria and I think I want to say I have ordered the mystery box from Unearthly Cosmetics, and this is, oh, I love it. The packaging, it's very cool. It's the Halloween edition, and it's orange and black, and you can open here and ta-da! It's very pretty. The packaging, the art, they're very pretty. And I won't say I show you what I see here. First I have the Unearthly Cosmetics Chilling Press Pigment Palette in lilac. This is a devil, very pretty. And this is the the color spectrum. Very pretty, and the press pigment is mine. So, and the second is the first in red, with here a red, a glitter red, a black, and it's very pretty and dark. And the third palette is the Creepy Crawly pigment palette in green. And that's my favorite color. This is very lovely. And I want to show you swatches. But first it's the highlighter palette. And this is this one who's show you the third looks of the palettes, and when I open it, oh my god, this is so lovely. It's wonderful. It's only wonderful. It's a orange to pinky, a greeny to yellow, and a purple to silvery, and I don't show anything. It's absolute gorgeous. Absolute amazing. I love it. So, and this last ones, I have 3 satin liquid lipsticks in here with the beautiful art, and I show you the colors. Black, green and purple. And I think I want to show you makeup. I want to yes, I lost my words, but it's so I want to try makeup with all palettes, with 3 looks, with the highlighter palette and the absolute gorgeous lipsticks, and then we will see. I am back with the second look, and I have make this eye, but we make it together, this eye. I have the green palette. This is the Creepy Crawly from Unearthly Cosmetics, and these are the colors. In my favorite colors, the green is my favorite, absolutely. I think this tone is very bright. I think we make it together. I take this yes, brush, yes, and you will see. Ooh, on the eye, it's very bright. Can you? Yeah, yes. You can see it, and I will layer it. It's a neon color. Okay. The combination of the colors is very pretty. And sorry for my English, it's really not good. But it's a try. So then I go with this brush into the squirm. That's the darkest shadow. It's petrol color, and that's for the dark, and I mix it with the neon color. I think that's good to blend. I think that's good, yes. But not least, with this brush I take the Scream color. That's a grass green tone, and I layer it on the complete lid. Take the shimmer spoon. That's the only shimmer in this palette, and I layer it on it, and I layer it and layer it and layer it. You can spray it also with setting spray also, but I take it all without. Layer it. Pretty. But write in the comments, is this good or not good? I take the shimmer also under the eyebrow. I like this so much. And then I take this brush and go into Squirm, the dark green tone, and take it under the waterline. Add only one shimmer tone because I haven't a tone for the inner eye corner. I must be a other shimmer tone. Okay, I took eyeliner, mascara, and the base products, and then I will come back with the highlighter palette. Then we take the Creepy Crawly tone. This is a highlighter tone in green with the stunning swirl. Okay, I come back. I am back with the palette, with the highlighter palette, and this is the beautiful green and yellow, and you can see here it's golden and a shifty to green. Yes, it's wonderful. I have also the Juvia's Blaze eyeliner on the eyes, and the fine line. This I'm out, and I have the Spectrum mascara, and on the lips I have the Lethal Cosmetics Duochrome lipstick, and it's perfect to the eye makeup. Yes, that's it. We have one look, and with the lilac color, and we will see you Bye! We create the last look. I try this lipstick. This is the Lilac Wicked lipstick and is very comfortable on the lips. And I try this from Glam Shop, and it's an eyeliner, but I try it here on my lips. And also we have the Chilling palette with the beautiful woman here, and these are the colors. Wonderful. This shimmer is very, very beautiful. And I have the highlighter palette. I gave the Chilling tone under, nicht under, keine Ahnung, about my highlighter. Genau. And we start. I make the first eye, and yes, I have the lipstick, and we make the second eye. Here, the eyebrows are made with the brow pomade and the fixing from Beauty Bay. And I take poses in the crease, good pigmented, you see. And I take with a blending brush the Abyss color. And I blend it with the other color. Blend, blend, blend. Take poses over the lid. And I take the brush from Spectrum, the A12 for Morbid, for the dark here on the outer corner. And I take Bray with my fingers. This is the glitter tone all over the lid. It's very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. And I take it for under the eyebrow. Very, very beautiful. And I take the pencil from Zeesea, the 226 smudger, and take the Morbid tone, the darkest tone, for under the borderline. And the Kajal from Glam Shop, I sharpen it. And this, I take it for the waterline. The pencil brush and goes into Bray, the shimmer tone for the inner corner. That's pretty, you see it? And I take this pencil for, here we have the highlighter palette, and I am going in Chilling, this very beautiful tone with structure, and I take it here. That's very beautiful, monochromatic look. It's very, very beautiful. Can you see this? Yes. It's beautiful. I buff it here. It's a little too much. Little too much, but it's very, very wonderful. So I take the Mina eyeliner and these two mascaras. The one is from Douglas, the OES Lashes Mascara, and one is the Growing Lash Simulator Mascara from Vibo. And then I come back and show you. So, and that's the look. I hope you enjoy it. I love it very, very much. That's the palette and I love it. I love all the three palettes. The colors are so pretty. The shimmers are so pretty. I love all the palettes of Unearthly Cosmetics from this Halloween box. It's very, very pretty. The lipstick I must see when I eat and drink, how it is, but the green one was not so good, but the black one was also pretty. I hope you enjoy my video and you give me an abo, and then bye bye and see you soon.